Many of the projects that we develop come out of the desires of researchers to solve specific problems. The Prelude is a first of its kind multiphoton microscope, and as many of our products in Thorlabs are customer inspired, this project came out of a discussion with Jacob Reimer and his desire for a device that I really have been thinking about for many years that would be small and compact and yet still give us a full-featured multiphoton image.
The idea kind of came from a bunch of places, but one was this idea of we want to look both at auditory and visual cortex. You would kind of like to have a microscope that you could just like put wherever. To get these more lateral areas from the side, we often have to rotate, and that rotation can be kind of logistically difficult. So it seemed like, at least practically, it should be possible to have the laser coming in on a fiber, which would give you a lot more freedom of movement. And then, ideally, if there was a way to add remote focusing to that as well, then potentially we could collect 1,000, 2,000 neurons at once and get like a nice population where we can do some analysis.
So he actually had taken a few Thorlabs tubes and strung them together with an objective on the end of it and said, I'd like something like this that I can do 2 photon with. And that would be really cool.
Me and Jeff have worked together for 13 years, and we understand how we work, and we complement each other. That to me makes a big difference. There's challenges with every system that we do. I think keeping it compact was a big challenge, keeping it lightweight. The innovation of the MEMS mirror allowed us to create a much smaller system. With it getting smaller, you can control the weight, which allows us to utilize it the way we are.
I gave like a range of parameters that I think we'd be happy with and would work for our application. And I was always like, the better you can do, in all of these, the better. And so I kept trying to be like, hey, I don't know what the limit is here. Can you guys always be pushing the limits of all these parameters?
Jacob Reimer really wanted this on a robot arm. He saw the benefits of having the 6th degree of freedom to be able to get into spots that are more limited, more restricted, and use it in concert with the mesoscope. That way he could scan 2 hemispheres, multiple sections of the sample at the same time.
Having a almost handheld 2 photon, you could potentially just jump from area to area, and you'd be able to see individual trees in those areas, and then you can see the whole forest with other imaging methods.
One of the things that's exciting about our team is that they embrace significant challenge. And that's the great thing about our customers, is they're always trying to find something better and more creative to do with our systems. We try to build them such that we want them to use them for whatever their creativity can find.